Hi, how are you and how are your mom and dad? Today I'm going to make a sauce with unripened mango. This is called Keri or Kachiambi in our country and in our language. Then I'm gonna use this, what is this? Mint leaves and coriander leaves. Fresh mint and coriander. Right? Okay. First I think I should tell you the ingredients. You need one unripened mango, some fresh mint and coriander leaves, honey, black or simple table salt, pink salt, whatever you prefer, and then not two, according to your taste, but one chili minimum. Green chili, or you can also put some red chilies if you want, and you can skip this salt altogether if you are making this for someone who is a hypertension patient. First you have to peel off. I think I should take the peeler. So you have to peel it off. All these recipes are so easy and you can change them according to your convenience. For example, if you don't have this mango, you can use tamarind sauce or simple tamarind, or if you don't have tamarind, then what can you do? You can use lemons instead, and if you don't have anything, you can make simple sauce. But it's very good to use these sauces instead of overcooked foods. So guys, look, I have washed everything. I have washed the mango, I have washed these leaves and chilies. Now I'm cutting these both chilies and put all these things into your blender. So one thing I want to tell you, that if you want, you can also make this Keri sauce alone. First I will tell you how to make this Keri sauce, then I will add these things, so you can have two recipes together. But for Keri sauce, if you put red chilies, then it will be more tasty. I'm adding a little salt in it, and I will show you how to make Keri sauce. Okay, so guys, this is Keri sauce. This is absolutely ready. Now about taste. The taste will be sour. If you like sour taste, it's good, but if you don't like, you can add some honey into it, or if you want, you can add sugar. Not too much, but to give it a khata meetha taste, like savory and sweet taste. So now see, the sauce is ready, the chutney is absolutely ready, but what I'm gonna do now is I will distribute it in two parts. Look. One part is without honey, and see, I just added a little amount of salt and then 2 green chilies, and the taste is absolutely nice, acceptable. But if you want spicy, you can add more chilies, or if you like red chilies, you can also add. I also like red chilies, but as I'm making this for my mom, so I didn't make it spicy. It's just moderate. It's just plain healthy sauce with just 2 chilies, and those chilies were not that hot. Now the other half amount I'm going to. Okay, now with this I'm adding just small amount of honey to give it a sweet and sour taste. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try these recipes. This is simple. It will only take 10 minutes and your mom and dad will be so happy. You can also be so healthy if you use these. You can also give added taste to your food if you make these sauces along with your food. Coming week I'm going to make more sauces for diabetic patients, for hypertension patients, and for your diabetic and hypertension moms and dads, and for you as well. So don't miss it out. If you're new to this channel,